Okay, so these are nouns. Noun. What are nouns? Nouns are names of people,
People
names of animals.
and animals too.
Yes, and also places
Places.
and things.
Places.
Things.
Okay.
Okay, now let's see the examples of people. Nouns for people. We have mom.
Mom. I
Mom.
have a mommy here.
Wow, your mommy is with you. Okay, next is teacher.
Teacher. I have a teacher in Japan and Philippines.
Ah, very good. Do you know how many are your teachers? Can you count them?
There are one and
Mhm.
two. Like that.
Ah, like that.
Two.
Two. Very good. And oh, let's go back. Doctor.
Doctor. I have a doctor in Philippines and in Japan.
Oh, that's good. Doctor. Okay, next is boy.
A boy.
Boy, yes. Do
I
you
have a boy in Philippines. The name is Kuya.
Wow, very good. The name is Kuya. So that means he is older than you. Nouns for animals.
Animal.
Can you read this one?
Okay. Is there a cat?
Yes, a cat. Very good. How about this?
A dog?
Dog. Okay. And this? Max.
Max?
Yes, it could be a name for a dog.
Okay.
Do you have a dog?
No.
How about a cat?
No.
Ah, you don't have any animals or pets?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now next we have fish.
Fish.
Fish. And Bella.
Ella?
Bella. It could also be a name for a dog.
Okay.
Okay. Now next let us learn more nouns for animals. Ooh. How many animals do you know here? We have what's the first one?
Cow.
Mm-hmm.
A sheep.
A sheep. Next,
A camel.
camel. And then,
Is it a deer?
yes, it is. Okay. Let's move on to nouns for places.
Okay.
Okay, what is the first one?
Who?
The first one is cool. Is cool. Yes, and then what is this? A
A
house. Yes. Okay, are you at your house right now?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Okay. And the last one is
A zoo.
a zoo. Okay. So, which is your favorite place here?
The park.
The park. Yes, because you play there, right? Yes. Okay, so we have pictures here. Park, school, and house. Okay. Okay.
After I go to the school, I will read. After that, we will play on the park. I will go to the house.
Wow, that's a good schedule. Okay. So, now next one, nouns for